Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin and today I'm here to talk about the second hook in React.js that's called UseEffect. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and of course put like and comment for me to support me. Now, let's go. Welcome back to the course. As I said, we are going to talk about the second hook in React.js that's called UseEffect. An official explanation for UseEffect is that something that allows you to do side effects. Essentially, when we talk about side effect, we talk about any work outside the component. Now let's navigate back to our project. As you can see, we have our app.js here, and of course we should import this setup from the second file that's called UseEffect setup, and the first one is UseEffect basics. We should import it in our app.js, and after run our project we have this on our web browser. When we navigate to our UseEffect basic, we have this file here. The first sentence here is that by default UseEffect runs after every re-render in our project. First of all, we should import our UseEffect like UseState, as you know, from React in our application. And for start working with our UseEffect like this, UseEffect, we have parentheses here, and after that we should use callback function like this, and it is our UseEffect syntax. This sentence said that UseEffect runs after every render. If I want to show you the meaning of this sentence, I should use console log and write component render, and the other console log here, user. We have two console log here, so if I inspect in our web browser in console, as you can see when I refresh our website, you can see that we have components render, and after that we have UseEffect that we have console log it here. As you can see, our UseEffect render after every re-render in our project. So if I want to show you the example, I start with this HTML and using React fragment here. I start with heading 1. I want to use value, so we need the user state here, const value, and start with 0, and we need button, of course, to change the value. We have, of course, an event listener on click to change the user state value, and start with this, change set value and value +1. We have it here. If I click on this button, we have the number change here, the value change here. If I clean up our console log, and after that if I click on this button 1, 2, you can see that we have our console log components render, and after that UseEffect. After each time that we click on this button, we have UseEffect that do its job. This is the side effect that will run in our project. So I want to change this document title, for example this React app, in our UseEffect as a side effect after each time we click on this button. So we can navigate back to our project, and here say document dot title, it's equal to this text new messages with parentheses and $sign. We have value here. When we save our project, we can see that here is changed to new messages, and in our parentheses is the value of this number here. And when we click on this button, we can see that it will change as a side effect that we use it in our UseEffect. So it was all about the UseEffect and what we can do when we use it in our project to do side effects. For example, fetching data or changing the title of our project and our document, and for example signing for subscription and the other side effects in our project. We should use UseEffect. We are at the end of our video today, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and of course put like and comment for me to inspire me to put more videos for you guys. Be nice, guys. Farewell.